Alright, yo guys, Fire Alarm Fun with Henry, part 2. When was the last time I did this? It's probably like 8 or something. 8 or 9, maybe. But yeah. So, I can't flip it, hold on. Alright, right here. Firelight BG12. I don't know which light, if it's L or LX or I don't even know, bro. So, yep, don't have a hinge there. Spectre Alert Advance SR strobe. System sensor Spectre Alert Advance low frequency sounder horn. And then Potter T-bar thing or whatever. Got all the back boxes all nicely mounted, really firm. This is just the alarm shaking. But yeah, you can see everything's like firmly mounted and stuff. Over here, Edwards 270 SPO. As you can see, nicely mounted, no wires. I mean, the wire goes through in there, but yeah. And I have all the wires nicely staple gunned to the wall right there. They used to be taped. I should put one right there, but yep. So that's cool. For the batteries, we just have 6 9-volts. And then to make it easier, we just have these little clip-on things, so I can easily take off the power. Coming over here, sorry, it's the basement, it's kind of messy, it's where laundry is. System sensor Spectre Advance P2W, and it's like very bright. It doesn't have 15 candela, it's like 135, but it's like be hurting my eyes. And then pretty much coming over here, Wheelock Exceeder Amber Strobe. So it's cool. This one was a pain in the butt to get screwed in because this hole just did not want to drill through. But yeah, it's nice. Pretty cool. And I do know where my Wheelock Exceeder is. It's at my grandparents' house. I'm gonna get it later tomorrow. Gonna put the low frequency sounder there. Or no, not the Exceeder. Gentex horn strobe. Was there. That's gonna go there. These pole stations are gonna stay. Then the Spectre Alert Advance is gonna go where that was. And then I still have keys for these T-bars, simplex T-bars coming, and a firelight key for this. This doesn't have a latch broken, and this, so those will be up once I get the keys. This, I fried that alarm earlier because it did not work because like the low voltage. I started putting more batteries, so that kind of fried the system, but it's chill. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Can't see the flash every time, but it is there. Alright, let's do this one. Actually, I'll do that one last. I really like how this looks mounted to the wall. I think it's nice. And since the wires do go there, it goes through in there, comes back down. Same deal with that one over there. And then, yeah, all the wires are nicely staple gunned to the ceiling, which I really like how that looks. So yeah, let's do it. This one, usually, it shouldn't pull down all the way, but for some reason it does. I don't know why. This is firmly mounted, just that's kind of shaky. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's reset it. Got a staple gun there to hold this. Alright, let's just go straight for it. Oops, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Oh, shoot. Yep. Pretty cool. System would be more fitting. I'd probably have all the firelight stuff up. And maybe a wheel lock, but eventually I am going to get a mounting bracket for this because I don't know where it is. These are adjustable, so I can't use those. I have a white one too. This, I don't know where the mounting bracket for that is. This, hard to put up. So, yeah. And I like the Gentex, so that has a lot of stuff. But, yep. Thanks for watching. Bye.